some professional advices for an expat in Houston.
When you arrive in Houston and you want to launch a small business, I would like to advise that explain your idea, your project to for everybody, the neighbors, your friends, American friends, French friends. Yes, explain your idea to everybody, and like that, everybody will give you a lot of advice, a lot of tips to help you to launch your small business in Houston.
So my advice would be to use the networking, such as join a professional association or meetup, and this would create new opportunities.
So my advice would be to try and make an appointment with somebody in your industry, in your business sector, to get in touch with him and discuss about, how people work here, to discuss about your resume, for example. And I think it's a great way to discover how it works here in Houston and also to build your network, and I think that's one of the most important things here.
If you can or don't want to work in your industry, my advice would be to use your skills in another business sector or to gain new skills that could be useful in the future.
The advice I would like to give you when you arrived in Houston, dare to launch the small business that comes from your heart.
Once you have settled down, get out of your house. Meet people, a lot of people. Listen to them, they have a lot of things to tell you. And also talk to them about you, about your wishes, about your projects. Also, don't be afraid to volunteer. Here it's very common in US. Or accept a first job below your skills. It allows you to build your resume, to have first professional experience here in US, and also to build a reference list. Here in Houston, it's the opportunity to try a lot of different things in your professional sector or in a different one. You have nothing to lose, everything to gain, believe me.
My advice would be, if you arrive in Houston with your family and you're looking for a job and you want to practice your profession, is first to be kind with yourself, to take the time to settle the family in parallel, go and check around all the possibilities there are through the networking, all kind of different networking, and keep in mind your idea and be open and receive everything that Houston has to give you with your professional goal. Be patient, it takes time, but at the end I'm sure you will succeed, because there's a lot of possibilities and opportunities in Houston as an expat professional who wants to work.
Feel free to join us. HoustonExpatPro.com